welcome to another week in review, our top 5 videos this week in no particular order. Evolution and Innovation, it's the MTD podcast series 2, episode 14. In this episode, we discuss the evolution of metrology, the new innovations that are now available and why it's an absolute necessity for all engineers and manufacturers to embrace them.
I saw another type of equipment to monitor the process. You can't just rely on the process to be the all-seeing eye with regards to the quality of product that you produce. So,
it's, in my opinion, it's absolutely imperative and it should be looked upon as the complete process. So, for example, if you're manufacturing a part, the metrology should be looked at part of that process, not a separate process. Same as automation, and I think that everything is interlinked, and also with the fact that now digitalisation is coming into play, and you also got a solution for that we're going to touch upon shortly.
In at number 2 is Alken Engineering XYZ LR machines cutting super duplex. Paul talks with Chris from Alken Engineering, a story about how the XYZ machine can handle hard materials, even if the machine is built using a linear rail system.
I spoke very highly of them, but we did have somebody else come in, a couple of days training, and he took to it real easy as well.
And Chris, we hear a lot about Siemens and the shop mill interface. Do you have that on these machines as well?
Yeah, in fact we have it on all 4 of the machines we've got here, the LR and the HDs. Very user-friendly. I mean, I've been on a two-day course myself, come back and I felt like I was pretty confident on the machine themselves, just how easy they are to use.
In at number 3, a solution to surface roughness and contour measurement in one compact system. The Form Tracer Advanced series of the benchtop hybrid CNC measuring systems measures surface roughness and contour of the component features on just one machine by using interchangeable measuring heads. Designed with precision component inspection in mind, the system can characterize intricate internal or external features practically unmeasurable by a general purpose CMM.
General subcontracting market or OEM market, where would you see the Form Tracer Advanced actually sitting quite nicely to help with their products?
So this type of equipment is a complement to anybody's inspection room. It's unique in the sense that it can measure internal threads that maybe other measurement equipment can't get into. Surface roughness is obviously quite critical now within the industry, so with the ability to measure surface roughness as well, this machine actually has it all.
In at number 4 is Mazak Smooth Ai Controller, the next generation of CNC controls. The next generation of Mazak Smooth CNC Control, combined with the suite of software packages which is led by the industry with the practical application of artificial intelligence, digital twinning and automation technology.
Has the AI functionality.
Okay, so if you program it on your other control, on your other Mazak, how long would it take, like an advanced program or medium to advanced, and how quick is the AI?
We'd hope with the old style of programming, not the old style programming, but the Mazak style programming, somebody who's skilled in the art would be able to program this part in just over 40 minutes.
Now finally, that is a huge horizontal boring machine. Lindsay discovers a massive horizontal boring machine at Alken Engineers with a whopping 4-meter X-axis. This machine is ideal for the large structural parts the company needs to machine.
Around the B-axis, and now we've got, as I say, we've got 4 meters in X, and we can spin 4.2 meters as well.
You happy with the machine?
It's a fabulous bit of kit. You know, it's really quality, and to be fair, it's just what we needed for our new, strategic 3-year plan.
Social news this week, with Mac now postponed until January 2021, we're asking all of our clients if you'd like us to come to you. MTD CNC are hitting the roads up and down the country from April 20th to the 30th. So if you'd like us to pay you a visit, get in touch. Well, that's it from me this week. I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.